Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. Flight Deck Captain speaking. My name's Grant Christensen. Joining me this morning, Alistair Radfeld. I'd like to add our welcome to on board your Qantas Link service through to Canberra. We're just waiting on the last of the paperwork. The final hold has just been closed. Once we receive that, we'll be closing the door and getting underway. It's quite a long taxi this morning. We have to go all the way to the southern end of the airfield. Once we do get airborne, it's 35-minute flight time. Alistair, we'll get back to you just prior to top of December with some updated roll details. Until then, we do appreciate your patience. We'll be underway shortly.